Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to STFU or Shut the Fuck Up K. So today we're doing a makeup tutorial because I told you guys I was going to do it, so let's get to it. So for my primer, I used the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, the best primer ever. Highly recommended. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 380. And if you guys want a brow tutorial, let me know because I probably would do it on my Rouser-Davis. I'm not sure, so if you guys want me to do it on my Rouser-Davis or my STFUK, let me know down below in the comments. So I'm using the P.Louise primer. I'm not sure of the shade, just know it's the P.Louise eyeshadow base. Y'all, it's super good. A dupe for this would be the Juvias Place. The Juvias Place is more like a little liquidy, but it's still just as good. So I'm going in with the Juvias Place palette. I'm not sure the name, but I will make sure to have everything down below in the comments. Not the comments, the description box. So make sure you guys check the description box for products just in case I don't name them. It'll be in the description box. So I'm taking this palette. I think I'm going to start doing like darker and then go to the lights because I feel like it helps me blend a lot more and it's easier too and it's quicker. I'm going to take this orange shade and I'm going to put it on that brown shade, and I'm just going to diffuse the harshness of the brown shade with the orange shade. And yeah, so I'm just going to go back and forth because I lost some of the brown, and I'm just going to go back and forth. So yeah. But y'all, this look was so freaking pretty. And then I'm going in with that yellow shade for the top to blend it. And then I'm taking this Colourpop and we're going to use this in the crease. Y'all, look at the blend. They look so good. So we did a brown, a orange, and then like that muted like brownie yellow. And then we're going in with a darker brown in our crease, and then we're going to add black, but that's going to be later. So I'm not going to do a semi-cut crease because this look does not need that. So I learned this trick on TikTok, and basically you just use your eyeshadow base or concealer and you just put it on your lid, and then you use like a fluffy brush to blend everything, and then you just press the shadow onto that. Like, it just looks so good and so effortless, you know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't look too harsh. Girl, that is not a word, harsh. Y'all. Get it together, sir. But yeah, and I think I'm gonna buy a fluffier brush for when I do mattes on my lid because it's gonna pick up the mattes better. I saw it on TikTok. Yeah, TikTok be teaching your girl a lot of stuff. If you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me. I'll make sure to have everything down below in the description box. Had to think about that. So I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. I think that's what it's called, and I think it's in the shade Cause I'm Black. Yo, I love this eyeliner. Like, this is probably the best eyeliner ever, in my opinion. But if you can name a better eyeliner, comment down below. Just saying. So I'm just going to do like no wing. Just give it just a line. And then I'm going to take this black eyeshadow from the Colourpop palette, and I'm going to smoke it up. Taking my Milk Makeup mascara for my top lashes. And for our lashes, we're going to use the KROUSERBEAUTYBAR Duo Lash, and basically these are 2 lashes in one like container. So the first one is called Little Baddie and the other one is called Sugar and Spice. These are our top 2 sellers, so I was like, let's put it together. So I'm going to use Sugar and Spice, and then I'm going to go in with my KROUSERBEAUTYBAR multi-adhesive. Y'all, I love this lash glue. It's really a lash glue and a glitter glue, so that's why I call it the multi-adhesive, because you can do multiple things. And all I do is use the glue, put it on the lash line, and just stick the glue. I mean, not stick the glue, but stick the lashes with it. And y'all, when I say hold, like the wind could be blowing, tornado, storm, hurricane, your lashes will stay on. Like seriously. And basically those are 2 for $15, so available now. So right now I'm going in with the Huda Beauty foundation sticks. You guys, I love these foundation sticks. In the shade Nutmeg, that's the first shade I'm using. And then everywhere else I'm using Mocha. So I'm taking my Real Techniques brush and we're gonna go ahead and melt that in, y'all. It just like melts into the skin. It's so pretty. Like, I highly recommend this. I think combination oily can use this because in normal for sure. But if you're super oily, I would say use like a mattifying primer and you'll be good. And if you guys want to know about this wig, it's on Rouser-Davis, and I'll make sure to have that down below in the description box. And it's going to be Kayla's wig tutorial, something like that. And I'll make sure to have the link so you guys can check this wig out because y'all, it was giving scalp. So now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 380, and then I'm going to use my Colourpop concealer. I'm not sure what shade this is, and I'm not sure of the name. Y'all, I will make sure to put everything down in the description box. So now I'm going to use another Colourpop concealer, not sure of the name, but I'm going to use this dark shade and we're going to bronze everything. I don't like saying contour because I don't contour, I bronze. So yeah, but I'm going to use this concealer. I love this concealer, y'all. A little goes a long way. And I'm going to blend it out with this Morphe brush that I love. Y'all, I love Morphe brushes. Like, go to your local Ulta, get you some Morphe brushes and Real Techniques. I highly recommend Real Technique brushes and Morphe brushes. So I'm going to blend this, and then I'm going to blend my concealer with a Real Technique setting brush. Y'all, I've been loving this new technique. So basically, I set my concealer with a brush, and then I go in with my Real Technique sponge. It's like the fuzzy one. It's for like powders and stuff like that. And I do not wet this sponge. I just let it be dry. So I just take my powder and like press it in, and y'all, it looks so good. Like, my makeup be looking so flawless nowadays, and I'm so happy. I don't know what made me do that trick with the sponge but not wetting it, but it totally makes a difference, and it doesn't take away from my concealer. So now I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush and make sure everything is blended. And y'all know how I feel about translucent powder, but to me, this is like the best translucent powder ever. This is the Patrick Star One Size translucent powder. And y'all, it don't make me look ashy. It doesn't make me look gray. It keeps the color of everything. It's not patchy. It's super smooth. Like, I highly recommend this powder. And he also has other shades as well, but this translucent powder is so bomb. Like, seriously. Now I'm just pressing the powder and sweeping, pressing and sweeping. Like, this powder is so nice, y'all. Like, highly recommend. I think they have a travel size, maybe, I'm not sure, but I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty face powder. You guys, I absolutely love this powder. I'm in the shade 430. Also, I have not tried this powder on its own, but if you guys want me to, comment down below and I'll try that out for you, just to see if we can see if it has like actual coverage for real. But what I could tell, it does have coverage. It makes me look so natural. It looks so good on the skin. It gives me that like natural, but we all know this is like a beat face. but it looks so good. It doesn't make you look cakey. So for my bronzer, I'm going in with the Benefit Cosmetics bronzer. I think this is shade Toasted. I'm not sure, but I'll make sure to have that down below. And you guys, I love this bronzer. Like, it just looks so good on my skin. It gives me that nice little red that I missed from like the CoverGirl. Y'all remember that CoverGirl bronzer? If you remember that bronzer, comment down below, because y'all, that bronzer was the truth. Like, that was a good bronzer, seriously. Now I'm going in with my Crown Case blush binder, and I'm using like this terracotta orangey shade. Y'all, I love this blush palette. Like, it has everything you need. You can contour, you can use this as an eyeshadow. Like, it has everything. And then I'm going in with the shades that I used in my crease down below to my lower lash line. Y'all, this look has came a long way. And then I'm going to use this Colourpop cream eyeliner. Not sure the shade, but it's like a nice nude. And then I'm going in with my Urban Decay mascara that I always use on my bottom lashes. So now I'm going to put my beauty mark back with the Fenty Fly Liner. And then I'm going to take my KROUSERBEAUTYBAR Glow Powder in the shade Miami Heat. It's just this pretty nice golden caramel shade. And I'm just going to put that on my nose. And then I'm going in with the Benefit Clear Gel. Absolutely love this stuff. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. And then time for the lips. So I'm going to use the Juvias Place lip liner in Brownie. Y'all, that's my favorite lip liner shade ever. Like, it's the perfect brown. Like, it's not that ashy chocolate brown. It's like a nice deep sensational chocolate brown. So I'm going to use that first, and then I'm going to take the Juvias Place lipstick, and I think it's called Muted. It's this nice muted nude. And then I'm going to go in with the KROUSERBEAUTYBAR lip gloss and Bad Bunny. And this lip gloss is so freaking pretty, y'all. It's like a pinky gold. Like, it kind of shifts to like a pinky gold, and it's so pretty on the lips. You can wear this by itself, or you can use it as a topper. I usually use it as a topper because it gives what it needs to give, and I love that little shimmer it gives off as well. And it just makes my lips look so juicy. So that's basically the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.